Everyone knows about Singapore's Chinatown, and the usual way to get there is by taking the MRT and alighting at Chinatown Station. But have you ever considered walking from Outram Park instead? This alternative route offers some hidden gems and unique experiences that you won't want to miss. I'm filming 2 videos tonight. One will explore the walk from Outram Park MRT to Chinatown, uncovering hidden gems along the way. The other will feature the usual vibrant scenes at Chinatown's popular street. Make sure to subscribe now to get notified as soon as the videos are ready. From Outram Park MRT station, take the underpass link to Dorset, Singapore. Once you exit the building, you can start walking in the direction of Chinatown, discovering the area's unique sights along the way. Along the way, you'll encounter beautifully preserved shop houses on Neil Road and trendy spots at Keong Saik Road, which offers a blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. As you approach Chinatown, the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and bustling Chinatown Complex will welcome you with their cultural richness and vibrant atmosphere, making this walk a unique journey through Singapore's past and present. We've now reached the heart of Chinatown, where New Bridge Centre and Kreta Air Road come alive with energy. The streets buzz with activity, surrounded by vibrant buildings adorned with colorful facades. Traditional shop houses line the roads, offering a mix of heritage charm and modern shops. Street vendors tempt passers-by with local snacks, souvenirs, and handcrafted goods, while the aroma of sizzling dishes from nearby eateries fills the air. This is where the true essence of Chinatown unfolds, a lively blend of history, culture, and everyday life in one of Singapore's most iconic neighborhoods. Let's explore the first level, where you'll discover a lively mix of shops and food stalls. This area is bustling with activity, offering everything from fresh produce and traditional Chinese medicine to souvenirs and trinkets. You'll find stalls selling dried goods, herbs, and spices that fill the air with fragrant scents, while small shops offer affordable clothing, accessories, and local crafts. There are also a few food stalls serving snacks and quick bites, providing a taste of local flavors as you browse. The first level captures the spirit of Chinatown's daily life, blending commerce and culture in one vibrant space. Let's explore the second floors, where you'll find a bustling local hawker center. Here, the atmosphere is lively with the sounds of sizzling woks and chatter as vendors prepare a variety of authentic local dishes. Stalls offer everything from classic Hainanese chicken rice and savory char kway teow to traditional desserts like ice kacang. Each stall has its own specialties, with aromas that invite you to sample the diverse flavors of Singaporean cuisine. The mix of locals and visitors enjoying affordable meals adds to the authentic charm of this vibrant food haven. Chinatown Complex is steeped in history, serving as a vibrant hub that reflects the rich cultural heritage of Singapore's Chinese community. Originally established in the 1980s, it has since evolved into a lively marketplace, showcasing a blend of traditional and modern influences. As you explore the complex, you'll notice a plethora of street art adorning its walls, depicting the stories and experiences of the local community. These vibrant murals add color and character to the area, enhancing its charm. As you continue your journey, you'll find yourself approaching one of the most popular tourist attractions in Chinatown. This bustling area is not only a feast for the senses but also a gateway to Singapore's rich history and culture, making it a must-visit destination for travelers and locals alike. As you explore the area, you'll likely come across elderly locals playing Chinese chess, or xiangqi, in small groups. This traditional game is a popular pastime, providing a social outlet for the community. As you stroll along this famous street, you'll notice the impressive Buddha Tooth Relic Temple just to your right. This stunning temple is a significant cultural and religious site, renowned for its exquisite architecture and intricate details. The temple houses a sacred relic believed to be a tooth of the Buddha, attracting both worshippers and curious visitors. Its beautifully adorned facade and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit landmark, perfectly complementing the vibrant energy of Chinatown surrounding it. As I delve deeper into the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, I'm captivated by its rich history and significance. Established in 2007, the temple was built to house the sacred tooth relic of the Buddha, which was brought to Singapore in the early 1980s. The temple's architecture is inspired by the Tang Dynasty style, featuring intricate woodwork and elaborate rooflines that reflect the grandeur of ancient Chinese temples. As I explore, I learn that the temple serves not only as a place of worship but also as a cultural center for the community. The ground floor includes a museum that showcases artifacts related to Buddhism, including ancient scriptures, ceremonial items, and historical texts. Each exhibit provides insight into the teachings of Buddhism and its impact on Singapore's multicultural society. Continuing my exploration, I find the temple's various halls dedicated to different aspects of Buddhist practice. The Hall of Treasures is particularly impressive, displaying the sacred relic in a beautifully crafted stupa that sparkles under soft lighting. The stupa is made of gold and adorned with jewels, drawing visitors who come to pay their respects and seek blessings. I take a moment to sit in the meditation hall, where the atmosphere is calm and peaceful. Soft music plays in the background, inviting visitors to reflect and find inner peace. This hall is designed for both worship and meditation, with comfortable seating that encourages quiet contemplation. Moving upstairs, I discover the Dharma room, where teachings and discussions are held regularly. It's inspiring to see people from diverse backgrounds coming together to learn about Buddhist philosophy and practice. The temple also offers various workshops and events, fostering a sense of community among its visitors. On the rooftop garden, I find a serene space filled with lush greenery and ornamental plants. The garden features statues of Buddhist figures and tranquil water features, creating a peaceful retreat in the midst of the bustling city. From here, I can enjoy panoramic views of Chinatown and the skyline, making it a perfect spot to reflect on the cultural richness I've encountered. Overall, exploring the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple provides me with a profound appreciation for its history and significance. It's not just a place of worship but a vibrant cultural hub that promotes understanding and harmony among different communities in Singapore. This experience truly enriches my visit to Chinatown, blending spirituality, history, and cultural exploration in one remarkable location. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Chinatown and the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple with me. If you liked what you saw, please give a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on future adventures. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video.